Well, so today we will discuss about the intercompany sales process, and this is one of the very important sales process in SAP sales and distribution. What is intercompany sales process? Okay, so these are all the table of content. So you just go through this. So see, intercompany sales processing describes business transactions which takes place between two companies. Okay, between two company codes belonging to one corporate organization, that is, which belongs to one company. So as I told you, in the beginning, we can have multiple company codes under one company or under one group. Okay, if you have multiple company codes, so the business transactions will take place between two company codes. Okay, under which belongs to one company. The ordering company orders goods from plant which is assigned to another company code. So basically in this, what happens whenever let's say we have a company code 1. Okay, so I will take this here as this is intercompany sales process. See, in this we have company code 1 and we have company code 2. Okay, if the company code will be having plant, so let's say plant, and here also we have a plant. Okay, whenever the company code code 1 gets an order from customer. Okay, from customer, let's say company code 1 is not having a stock whatever the customer has ordered. In that scenario, if the company code 2, which belongs to same company, okay, if the company code 2 is having the same stock under his plant, okay, in that scenario the company code 1 is going to generate is going to order, okay, the product whichever the customer has ordered. Okay, so the company code 2 will generate a sale order to the company code 2, and the product will be delivered from the plant of the company code 2 directly to the customer. Okay, see, the company code 2 is going to order the product to the company code 2 and supply the product to the customer. Okay, customer of company code 1. Okay, once it is delivered, the company code 1 will generate a normal billing to the customer, and the company code 2 will generate a billing that is called intercompany billing to the company code 1. So in this scenario, see, the company code 1 is customer for company code 2. We will have to create a customer master for this company code 2. Then we will have to assign. So then we'll have to assign the customer number to this company code 1. Okay, so intercompany sales process. See, customer places order to the sales organization of company code A. Okay, and company code A creates sale order but fulfills it from plan belong to company code 2. Okay, delivers goods directly to the customer, and company code B raises an intercompany billing to company code A and raises a regular invoice to the end customer. Okay, so this is the scenario of intercompany billing. So intercompany billing IV, intercompany pricing condition PI01, and an internal customer will have to create for this. Okay, so this is the concept of intercompany sales process. See, here you have company codes. So selling price, let's say, see, ordering company code means he's going to place an order. So here, this is the ordering company code. This is delivering company code. See, ordering company code, we'll have to have the enterprise structure. Already we have the enterprise structure. And delivering company code, this is another company code. We will have to create an organization structure, whatever we have created for the company code till now. Okay, so already I have created another company code, another organization structure. I'll just show you the overview of it. So here you can see these are all the actions which has to be taken care. Next, so first we'll go with the configuration. See, I told you we'll have to create a company code. Okay, then we'll have to create a plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Everything we'll have to create as usual what we did earlier. Okay, see here I will show you. Already I have created one more company code. So I'll go to SIMG. Okay, go to SIMG. Then enterprise structure. So here you can see definition, financial accounting. Here we have already created on company. So same way you can create. If you go to this, so click on position, see T, so which I have created already. Okay. Same. See, you can copy your TEUS. See, you copy your company code and create one more company code. Okay. And then we have created a company code. Then go to logistic general, and here I have created my plant. Okay. So you can see here TE. See here I have created my plant as well. Okay. I have created my plant. Then go back. See, you can create a plant by copying my existing plant itself. See here, I have created a division as well. You can see here. One second. Define division. You can see T2 I have created. See, this is my tech division 2 for another company code. Then close this logistic general. Then I'll go to sales and distribution. Here I have created my organization, sales organization. If you go to define sales organization, you can see TES2. Okay. This is my second sales organization. Next, I have created distribution channel as well. See distribution channel T2. So this is my distribution channel. Okay. I have created distribution channel. The sales office, sales group, those are all optional. But for this process, I am not going to create. Then go to materials management. Here I have created the storage location. Okay, TE. Okay, under that I have created TES2 storage location. Then later I have created logistic execution. Here I have created the shipping point. Okay, so that is TES2. Okay, shipping point also TES2 I have created. Let's close this. Then defined everything. Then we will check with the assignment part. See here, I have assigned my company code to company. Okay, I have assigned my company code to company. See TE02 Tech CO, Tech company code. Then after that, I plan to company code. See plan to company code. See TE022. One second. TE. See here TEP2. See company code to plant. Next, I have assigned sales organization to company code. So you can see here, see sales organization to company code TES2. Then assign distribution channel to sales organization. See, I have already created sales organization to distribution channel. See, TES to T2. See, sales organization as well. Then go back. See here, assign division to sales organization. So I will find out. See, TES to division. Then we'll have to set up our sales area. See, I have set up my sales area as well. TE, see, TES to T2, T2. Okay, same whatever you have created, na enterprise structure, same, everything should be same. Then this is very important. Assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. So I'll go here. See, sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. This is okay. I will close this sales and distribution. Then I'll go to materials management. Here you can see these are all not required. Leave it. Purchase organization to company code. Okay, this is not required. Then I'll go to logistic execution. Here, very important. We need to assign our shipping point to plant. So just find your plant TE. See, here we have TEP2. See, we have assigned our shipping point to plant. Okay. So that's all about the organization structure. See, everything I mentioned. If something is missing, you just do it. Okay, same whatever we did. Okay, then see, we have created a division, assignment part, everything we have done. Okay, assignment plan to company code, see distribution channel to sales organization, then division to sales organization. See, everything I have mentioned here. Okay, one second. See, as I have created, see here I'll maintain define and assign shipping point to plant. Okay, define shipping point and assign to, okay, so here one second. So here, so we have defined and assigned our shipping point. Okay, now the next step is we need to activate the material ledger. So these are all we have done. See, we have checked our quantity and value update. Okay, we have updated quantity, and here we have defined our material ledger. So all you have seen. See, I will show you. So you just go to OMS2 and position your material TEFI. I will go to finished material, select this, and we need to update the quantity and value for our new plant. Okay, TEP2. See here, this should be checked. See, quantity and value should be checked. Okay, so once it is done, here we have, see, OMX2 material ledger activation. OMX2 assign currency type and define material ledger. We use standard 9000 material ledger. Okay, so here we have slash n OM, sorry, not OMX2. So this is OMX2, OMX2. See here, standard is 9000. Okay, see, in real time, this will be maintained by the FICO consultants. So next I will go to OMX. So here you will have to assign, go to new entry and assign your plant TE. Okay, see here TEP2 and material ledger. Automatically the status will turn into green. Once it is done, you need to go to OMX1 and here we need to activate our material ledger. So position your plant. See, this is my plant. So activate this checkbox. Then you need to determine this 2. You need to define this 2. That is translation date. Okay, transaction based. Sorry. So once it is done, you need to go to CKM start slash n CKM START. So here you need to enter your plant, you need to enter your exchange rate, uncheck these two and execute it. So already it is active, that's why it is not executing. So all will have to turn into green. Okay, so you need to do till this all the configuration you need to execute. Then we will start with the intercompany configuration. Okay, intercompany configuration. So here, see, after enterprise structure is set up, specific intercompany configuration must be done to link two company codes for sales transaction. Okay, so we need to define, we need to configure, we need to link between two company codes for intercompany sales process to execute the sales transaction between two company codes. So first we'll have to define the intercompany billing. So standard we have IV and IV billing type to standard organization structure, sorry, document type. Then we'll have to define, we'll have to assign delivering plan to ordering sales organization. Then we'll have to create an internal customer. Then we will have to assign internal customer to the ordering sales organization. Okay, let's start with this. So first we'll have to define order type for intercompany billing. So why we need to define intercompany billing? This is very important. Okay, so here when the delivering company code fulfills an order placed by the ordering company code, a special billing document must be created between two company codes. See, I told you, na. So whenever the whenever the company code 2 supplies the material to the ordering company code, so there in between these two company code, a special billing process will be transacted. Okay, see here, the special billing document must be created between two. This intercompany billing document, typically a document type IV is the intercompany billing document type. So this billing type is configured to post the internal customer account as, see, I told you, na, to post the internal customer account. So see, this is the see, company code 1 is customer to the company code 2. Okay, use the intercompany pricing PI. See, here we have intercompany pricing PI01 for pricing and transfer goods ownership between company codes. Okay, we will see this one by one. So first step is we need to define order type for intercompany billing. Once again, okay, so here first we'll go with this part. See, sales and distribution, billing, intercompany billing, define order type. So I will go to SIMG, then I will go to sales and distribution. Then here we have billing. Under that we have intercompany billing. Here define order type for intercompany billing. So here position, see, I will use my own sales document. Don't use standard sales order. Okay, I will go with TO. See here IV, it should be assigned. Okay, so by default it will be assigned, but even though we will have to check. Okay, if it is not assigned, see here we will have to select our intercompany billing IV. Okay, here we have IV now. Okay, so next step is, so next See, we are done with this, verified. So next is we need to check sales document OR. So see, the intercompany billing document type should be assigned to the sale order type. So here we need to check. See, the standard sale order document type OR must be checked and configured to support intercompany process. See, whatever the document type we are using for intercompany sales process, we need to check this configuration whether the intercompany transaction is activated or not. Intercompany billing type is activated or not. For that, I will go to this path. See, sales and distribution, sales and sales document and sales document header. See here, I will go to this. See, I will close this billing. Then I will go to sales here. Okay, under that we have sales document header. Here we have sales document type. What is my sales document type is TO. Okay, so here if you double click on this TO, see here it should be intercompany billing type should be assigned. Okay, see if it is not assigned, if it is assigned any different, so try to assign IV standard intercompany code billing. Okay, these two are very important configuration. If these two are not there, intercompany billing process will not execute. Okay, so here we are done with this. See here, intercompany billing should be activated. Okay, now we need to assign organizational unit by plant. Okay, so here we need to assign our organization structure for intercompany code billing. So just go back, close this sales, go to billing, and here intercompany billing. See, assign organizational unit by plant. See here, why we need to assign this? See, this is one of the most critical intercompany configuration step. The delivering plan must be assigned to the ordering sales organization. This sales organization of delivering plant, delivering company code creates an order that will be delivered from plant 2. Okay, so here what we have to do, so click on this, double click on this organization unit by plant. So let's see we have assigned it or not. TE, see here, see for TEP2, what is the sales organization? TES2. What is the distribution channel? T2. And here division is T2. Okay, then for TEPL, TESL is the storage location. This is TD and this is also TD. Okay, with respect to the configuration, we need to define, sorry, TE. Okay, now, so this is very important. Okay, we have defined this. See, we are done with this. Okay, see here, same way. And next we will create internal customer. Okay, so we have to create, see, the in intercompany processing company code. See, this is delivering. See, in intercompany processing, delivering company must bill ordering company for the goods delivered. To do this, see, the delivering company code must create customer under ordering company code. Sorry, ordering company code must exist as a customer in delivering company code. Okay, see here I told you, na. See, company code 1 is customer to company code 2. Under the company code 2, we will have to create one customer, intercompany customer. We will have to create internal customer, and this internal customer we will have to assign to this. Okay, so first we will create one customer under company code 2. Okay, under new company code. Okay, so here we will have to create internal customer. Okay, so I'll go to BP/BP and click on organization. Then here enter. Now click on create, and here I will maintain tech internal customer, company code TEUS. Okay, enter and country. So next go to company code, and here I will maintain TE02. Okay, so this is my delivering company code, who is going to deliver the product. So here reconciliation account, enter, and here no need to maintain anything. Go to sales and distribution. Sales area must be new, ordering sales area, sorry, delivering sales area. Click on transfer, and here sales